Hello friends, welcome back. If you are using a Apple Pencil, then you know that this tip of the Apple Pencil is very hard, and if you drop it into a rough surface, you are sure to damage this Apple Pencil tip. Now I experienced the same thing after dropping the pencil onto a hard surface. There was a small damage at the tip of this pencil. Now whenever you use this pencil with the iPad Pro, there is a small part of this tip that doesn't make proper contact with the iPad Pro screen. So there is no input happening when you get a wrong contact with this tip on the iPad Pro. So to keep using this Apple Pencil, I had to rotate the pencil to a proper position so that I can have a proper contact with the screen. Now till few days back, Apple didn't have an online store, so you have to order it either to import these Apple replacement tips to India, or there is one seller on Amazon who sells for around 4,000 rupees for the four replacement tips, which is quite costly, whereas the actual price of these four replacement tips on the on the Apple online store right now is around 1600 rupees, so 400 rupees compared to 1000 rupees for a single tip. Now I had already ordered this replacement tips before the Apple online store came into vogue in India. So let me show you the replacement tips that I got from the Amazon India website. So as you can see, there is a small green pull tab which once you remove, you get access to the four tips that is present inside. The replacement tips comes in a very small packaging. There is no import sticker present on this replacement tip pack because this is mostly a imported item. Hence the price is almost 300% of the original price of the Apple Pencil tips. Now all the four tips are present behind a small adhesive pull tab again. Be careful again while removing these small tips from this packaging as I dropped it again. But luckily due to the very less sweat, nothing happened. Now to replace the Apple tips is fairly simple and easy. You just need to rotate the Apple Pencil tip anti-clockwise to remove the old pencil tip, and you just need to place this new tip onto the tip and just rotate it clockwise. So once that is done, it is fairly easy and the Apple Pencil becomes a new again. But anyone who is in my shoes having damaged their own Apple Pencil, I'll suggest you to go have a look at the Apple online store where you can get this same replacement tips for around 1600 rupees for a 4-piece tip. Whereas if you buy from Amazon India or the AutoStorist seller, even though these are original tips, but they cost around 300% more than the actual price of the Apple Pencil tips. So thank you guys. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.